I hope I'm wrong, but her actuations and her actions reflects a complete picture of a pathological liar. Jong asked Miss Cassie Ong, tinanong po kayo kung kumusta kayo, kumusta ang kain nyo, kumusta po ang low sugar nyo. You mentioned, okay naman kasi may maintenance. Ano po ang maintenance nyo? You don't have to ask your lawyer kung ano yung maintenance mo.
Medical po. Yung hindi ko po sure kung for blood lang po siya. And meron din po for anxiety po.
Hindi, ang tinanong kasi sa inyo kanina, bumaba ang sugar nyo and you were asked kumusta po kayo. Ang sagot nyo, may maintenance naman po.
Opo,
So ano po ang maintenance nyo para sa low sugar nyo?
bali galing po sa hospital
Ano
po.
po ang pangalan?
Hindi ko po sure.
Yeah. Mr. Chair, can I ask, when that happened and her sugar normalized, is it not that she was given sugar, Coke, or candy? May pinainom sa inyo, Coke or candy dito?
Meron po, Mr. Chair.
Tapos bumalik sa normal.
Iced tea po nung...
Iced tea.
Sugar.
Yes, iced tea is full of sugar. Just for the record, Mr. Chair, with that, it is very clear that the hypoglycemia or pagbaba ng sugar was self-inflicted. Kaya po pag nangyayari yan, pinapakain ng white rabbit at bumabalik sa normal. That's why I interjected, Mr. Chair, because very, very troubling sa akin as a mother and as a doctor, napakamatik nung pagsisinungaling ni Miss Cassie Ong. When she was asked low sugar, agad-agad, nakasmile pa with all the eyes. Walang problema kasi may maintenance. In other words, Mr. Chair, I hope I'm wrong, but her actuations and her actions reflects a complete picture of a pathological liar.